Sukranovsky Production proudly presents the informative channel about plants and pets, Sukran Garden.
Sukran's Garden.
How to make organic fertilizer for orchids. It's very simple and easy. You just prepare these ingredients: 2 liters of uncooked rice water, 7 pc of onions, and a tea bag. But before using it, you must chop the onions finely. Put the chopped onions into the uncooked rice water. Then, add the tea bag also and stir away. Keep this liquid for 1-2 nights. 1 until 2 nights later. After keeping 1-2 nights, the liquid emits a bad smell. It's because fermentation process. Strain the liquid so that it is clean from the onion slices. Do it carefully. This is the strained water and ready to use. And now, you can use this fertilizer water by putting it into the sprayer. Spray the orchid with this organic fertilizer water twice a week. It's easy to make it, isn't it? Try this and happy planting. See you next time.